Subtitles and welcome back to the channel. On today's adventure, the plan is to locate and explore the incredible Ballykeeffe Amphitheatre, an Italian-styled music venue set up in a quarry apparently, and also we got a side mission which I'll fill you in on later. And enjoy the ride. Let's go. We are. Cool. We're going to park up here, okay? Whew. Tell you, that road up to there is absolutely beautiful. So lovely. I don't know what that used to be. Interesting. But yeah, the road is absolutely fantastic coming up here. And you see, and my voice went very high there. Thanks, boy. Have a good day. There's boots there and everything. Cool. Okay, so just talking to a guy there. He's up there with the scouts. They're up here, but we can go in. The public can go in, and there's a tight squeeze down there. So, oh, looking forward to seeing this place. You can see a bit of it now. It looks awesome. I'll show you now in a minute, but have a look at this. Look at that. Here it is. I'm sure we can go up there somewhere. We'll have a look, but this is awesome. Oh, someone rock climbing. You finished or are you only beginning?
I'm getting started. Been a while setting up, so.
Rather you than me.
I haven't psyched myself.
Have fun. Wow. I'm looking around the grounds here anyway, before we go in. Okay, so I'm going to have a look in, see how we can get in there. I don't know if we can get in, but I'll do my best to try to get in. Yeah. Let's give me a second and I'll see can I get in. Well, I kind of like this sign. At your own risk, I think it'll be worth it. Oh my God, look at that. Isn't that cool? Sure if you can get in down there. I'm going to have a look. I think you can. I think you can get in down there. I'm going to try it anyway. If not, we're going climbing. Easier to climb over this way. This place is just incredible, absolutely incredible. I can't even imagine what the sound would be like, but I say it would be absolutely awesome. Let's have a look around here anyway. They have a little bar and stuff like that as well. Let's see. That's cool. Oh, vintage beer barrels and all. Just for the road adventures now. Vintage beer barrels. Now, that's cool. I'm getting a picture of these for the road adventures. Picture's done. So we're going to go down and have a look at the stage. Come with me. And I might sit in the stage and tell you the history of it as well, actually. Just look at that. I'm going to shut up now for a minute. The setting is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Imagine how you'd feel as a performer playing in here, singing in here. Incredible. I must have a look at the website and see who's playing here. Awesome.
When they go out on the line, then Tapered brings out all the equipment.
That's cool. This is the view. It's incredible. It's incredible. Wow. I can even talk and you can hear it amplified already. Can you imagine when you're singing? Wow. So I'm sitting on the stage now, actually. All my admirers. There's all my followers. 0. I'm being unkind to myself. 262 and counting. So if you haven't subscribed before, subscribe. Makes me happy. You want me happy. Okay, so I'm going to have a look at the history here and then I'm going to let you know the history. Ooh, okay, here we go. It's history time. So nestled at the foot of the old Ballykeeffe quarry. So this is a former quarry. And Ballykeeffe Amphitheatre brings authentic atmosphere of an open-air Italian theatre to the quaint Kilkenny countryside. The once bustling slate quarry had lain abandoned in disarray for many years, with most indifferent to its very existence. This is incredible that nobody cared about this place. However, in the late 1990s, a team of dedicated volunteers recognised a unique potential which was brought to fruition through hard work and perseverance. And in the year 2000, the amphitheatre proudly played host to first of its many performances, the Irish Defence Forces Band and the Dublin Male Welsh Voice Choir. So this place was non-existent as an amphitheatre up to the 1990s. Which is incredible when you see the venue now. But I suppose when you think about it, a slate quarry, unless somebody has the brain and the idea to do something amazing like this, then, you know, would lay waste. There's probably lots of quarries around the country that are just laid to waste and they're not really used that much. But just sitting here, it's incredible. Just talking now, I don't know if it's coming across on the camera, but talking now, it's amplifying your voice. And I'm not talking that loud, and it's just like, I can only imagine as a performer how it feels like. I can just hear the guy there changing his carabiners around and stuff like that. But oh my god, it's absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. I feel like singing, but I can't really sing that much. But yeah, wow, it's amazing. And then you can hear the birds then singing, so I'd shut up for a minute and just enjoy the piece. I don't know if you see me from here, but I just wanted to give you a view from up top and show you the scale of it for someone standing on the stage as well. So I said I'd give it a go. I actually want to show in here as well, or talk loud and see what the way it amplifies. But yeah, this is some view from up here. It's absolutely amazing. And I hope you can hear me. I'm sure you can. I'm definitely going to come here for a gig. And I'll bring you with me as well, for sure. And we might have someone trying rocks there as well on that day. But it would definitely be worth coming up. But definitely come up here on your bike. Because you can come in here for free, just over the gate. And so you might sing yourself, you might want to come along here, you know. I'm going to actually have my lunch on the stage as well. And then we're going to hit the road. I have a side mission to do as well. We're going to have a bit of lunch first and then we get on to the side mission then.